Michael, remember that gift, that surprise I have for you? That I really do have a surprise for you on this trip.
Okay, what is it?
Well, this might be an idea. This is it right here.
Oh man.
So don't forget the back. I forgot to tell you the back.
Oh mercy. Well, if you get something for me, I got something for you. I think you look really nice in that, Jessica.
No.
All right, so we are just pulling into Ketchikan, Alaska. It is windy as all get out. It's cold city. Man. It is wet and windy and a little bit rainy, but we're gonna have a blast. We got waterproof shoes, we got waterproof, or at least water resistant jackets.
I'm gonna have to put my hair in a ponytail.
Ponytail time?
Yeah.
All right, so we should be able to get off the cruise maybe in about 20 minutes. And we're just gonna go
Oh yeah, this is where
check out the town. What's that?
Creek Street, and you can look through all the town. But then we gotta figure out how to get to the totem pole.
Totem pole? So we're going to totem pole, what else?
And like there's a rainforest. So.
Rainforest? I think we're
Yeah.
in the rainforest right now.
No.
It's just raining.
Figure this out.
And pretty area. All right, gonna be another fun day. We'll bring you along for the ride. All right, so a long time ago when Jessica and I first started cruising, she says, since we're gonna be eating terrible on the ship, best thing to do is never take the elevator. So we just made it tradition. We take the stairs. Of course, going down is a lot easier. A lot of stuff is on 15. Well, it's kind of interesting because the main shops and everything is on 5. We're on floor 10, so every day there's at least 5 flights of stairs we have to climb up and down. Last night she went to bed after the show. I went out just walking around, hanging out, up and down, up and down, up and down. Figured more exercise, the more I can eat. So it's our first stop. We are taking a tour through Ketchikan. So this is some kind of native history. We've got a totem pole here that she's been working on carving.
Oh, don't forget the salmon. There's 5 kinds of salmon.
Yeah, they shared with us there's 5 types of salmon up here. These are the 5 right here. And then over here, the animals are pretty cool. So if you guys like the movie Wolverine, I'm gonna show you a real Wolverine. I just sent this to my son. He was like, oh, that's pretty cool. So if you've never seen an actual Wolverine animal, I'll show you over here. All the little squirrels, yep.
Salmon, but like the little
All they do is tear up everything.
Some little squirrels. I don't think they're wearing hats in the wild. Cute. Not sure what this little guy is down here. But here's the Wolverine right here. This little guy. She said his claws come out about an inch further.
How about the one?
And then a black bear. I think that's only a couple years old. They said he's about 2 years old, but he weighs about 200 pounds, roughly. She said they can get about 200 to 500 pounds. And this wolf here, yeah, I'll show you the wolf in a second when they move. But this is called Duck Duck Goose up here on the left. Some big goose. And look at this big old wolf here. This guy is cool.
Look at that. Look at the eyes.
That'll be a crazy thumbnail for the video right there.
What? Are you familiar with the Yes.
Look at that. That's sweet.
that you have here?
Yeah, that'll be our thumbnail for the video.
Really?
It's pretty big. Like, Jessica, you're how tall?
5'5".
So 5'5", you can see. I mean, of course, he's standing on a little thing, but that's a big wolf. If I saw that in the wild, that'd be pretty rough. Yeah, you got to try some salmon over here. So And then we're gonna head out to our next stop.
I love that, the kids' future college fund.
Oh, there you go.
I need that outside.
We need one of those.
We still have 2 more in college.
All right, so this gentleman is about 87 years old,
Isn't that something?
and he still carves these totem poles. So this is just one of their shops here. And they carve them out. I think he's taking a break watching some YouTube. So here's a big totem pole here. I think it's massive. And this guy over here, he's the apprentice, I believe. Oh, you're good.
Okay, so you guys are over here, you can come right over here in front of here.
Yeah, you can definitely smell the cedar. He just chips away at it. Chopping the bark off. So we're here at Saxman Totem Pole. I didn't realize how tall these things were. Look at this.
Look at that. This is
Holy
cool.
cow.
Totem pole.
It's still raining.
Look.
Yeah, there's some big ones here. A couple small ones over here at the entrance.
I like this.
You like this?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm videotaping you, taking a photo of me.
Hey, look at that.
Yeah, the guy said that you've heard the expression low man on the totem pole. He said actually in their heritage, if your tribe was on the bottom of the totem pole, you're of significance. So the higher up, maybe the less significance you were. So now we're gonna walk through the rainforest. It's a short trail, but he said this looks exactly like their rainforest does. It's just a kind of a short version of it. Really dense foliage here. He said there's some plants. Is that the one?
That's the lettuce.
You think so?
Yeah, they say you can get that.
That's like a natural laxative. The bears, when they come out of hibernation, they know to go eat that so they can get unstopped from all the food before they were hibernating.
It's really short hike.
Yeah, he said it was really short, so. But that's what the rainforest looks like here. This is called Cats and Bear Wives Pole. And they call this a fertility pole. So apparently the ladies will go inside there in hopes to become pregnant.
I've already had enough babies.
We definitely had enough babies, man. Funny story, so Jessica actually got pregnant on our honeymoon, and the people at work called her Fertile Myrtle and me One Shot Willie. So yeah, we don't need any enhancements for having children. I think we're done. All right, so this is the first time. So this is called 49th Frontier Root Beer. It's actually really good.
It's the
I like it.
closest to beer I will drink. I do not like beer.
No?
No.
That's
This
funny.
is the only beer I drink.
Only beer, root beer.
True story though, I told kids one time I was going to do like a root beer float party for the kids.
At
And
your
my-
school?
Yeah, my students said, oh, my parents said I can't drink beer. Thought that was funny.
I love it. Right over there, there's a bald eagle on the top of that tree. It's hanging out. Eagles all over this place. Pretty cool. There's another one right there. Eagles there.
I think my wife said.
Cove. Another piece. This is called Creek Street. What's that?
There's more trails you can walk up.
Yeah, we'll go up there. Still raining. Check these out, man. These are. Those look sweet. Pretty wild. got pillars. I don't know where you'd put it in your house. You need some of those, Jessica.
I know.
A lot of the stores that we went in have the stuffed animals. Honestly, not truly sure if they're real, but they look cool.
They
Are they?
What is
Jessica
this?
says they are.
It's a bone.
What's that?
It's a bone with a face.
Yeah. So,
I'm not sure what it means.
but yeah, a ram. That's cool. So I found out all of these are actually real stones. And so they have different LED lights on the inside. Like down here, you can see you can change the different colors. Look at that.
That's pretty neat.
And then look at this one, Jessica.
This is
This is $65,000.
Really?
Yep, that is a massive. You see in comparison to Jessica.
Right here could be the ticket to students behaving. It says mental clarity, encouraging focus and concentration. So maybe we should have this in the classroom.
Yeah, $16,000, not bad.
Yeah.
All right, so we just finished up in Ketchikan, the town. You can see right behind us back here. So pretty cool little town. It's been raining all day, still raining right now. Just about to head back up to the ship. What do you think of it?
It was fun. I like exploring. We got to see eagles. We got to go walk the rainforest. Got to see the totem poles. Got to do the salmon ladder, walk all around, and get soaking wet. So it
We
was
did
a lot
not
of
buy the
fun.
thong though. The furry thing for me.
Yeah, that was your present. No, I'm just kidding. I really do have a present.
Yeah.
A surprise.
Yeah, but it's a cool little town, man. But apparently this is kind of normal for them to have all the rain and just kind of nasty weather. They said it's pretty much like this a lot, but still fun. We're having a blast. We
Yeah.
got waterproof clothing, so I think we're good to go.
Somewhere different.
Yeah, so we're gonna go take a hot shower, grab some dinner. We got any shows tonight?
The Love and Marriage show if we win.
Oh yeah.
We did that last cruise.
Yeah, we won. It's a couple years ago. We won some cool stuff, definitely.
Yeah. That was fun.
Anyway, all right, let's get on the ship. Let's see what else has got going on. Quantum of the Seas. So this is the first time we've been on this ship. This isn't a really big ship. What's the biggest one we went on? Oasis?
Oasis or some other one I can't remember.
Yeah, I think we've been on two really big
Symphony of the
ships.
Sea.
Yeah. So this one does.
Abyss or something
Yeah, this
like
one
that.
doesn't have the.
Central Park.
Yeah, Central Park and some of the other things. The water show, but still a nice ship.
It's actually a lot smaller, but probably because it's Alaskan cruise.
Yeah.
Oh well.
But you can see, man, it's just the weather here is just wild. It's super foggy over that way.
There's a rain meter over there. Liquid sunshine thing. Talks about rain.
Yeah. All right, let's get on the ship. We're back in the cabin. Unfortunately, it was so rainy, I did not want to take out my camera. So this is my Canon R6 with a 70 to 200 millimeter 2.8 lens. Really wanting to get some pictures of some wildlife, but it's still nasty. So hopefully tomorrow and maybe even the next day, I'll be able to take it out and get some cool shots. So we're got a few hours before our next show. So we're gonna come in here and watch Wicked. About a 2 hour and 40 minute. Won't be Dolby Atmos, but hopefully it'll sound really good. We just finished up watching Wicked. So Jessica had already seen it.
Yeah.
I thought it was pretty good. The sound system was different. We only had 2 speakers playing and some subwoofers, but still a good movie. Image was good. So wasn't quite the Dolby Atmos experience I'm used to. Kind of ruins it for me, but I like the movie, so we'll probably go see number 2. But I wanted to kind of end the night just out here, man. This is so gorgeous. Just checking out the landscape. So hopefully tomorrow and the next day we'll see some wildlife. And, oh yeah, right in the middle.
Right there. There's something out
I think you're right.
It is something swimming.
Oh, right there, yeah.
It
I see it
is.
too.
Oh, there's something right
Oh yeah. Well, that's trash, I
there.
think. Yeah, that's definitely trash. Oh, maybe you saw something, maybe you didn't.
I don't know.
Hopefully we'll see some more cool stuff. So, all right. I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. Hope y'all have a great day. God bless.